The International Aerospace Environmental Group, or IAEG, is a non-profit organization of global aerospace and defense companies created to collaborate on and share innovative environmental solutions for the industry. One of IAEG's objectives is to reduce burden on the industry and its supply chain through the development of chemical declaration standards. The evolving regulatory landscape means added pressure for aerospace and defense companies in terms of the chemicals contained in their products and those needed to manufacture, maintain, and repair those products. As these requirements increase in number, so too does the risk of product obsolescence, supply instability, and business-to-business disruption. In addition, downstream regulatory requirements create a mandate for the industry to understand which chemicals are in their products and the products they source. In essence, companies face regulatory challenges on multiple fronts within their supply chain. Navigating this changing regulatory environment and the resulting increasing customer requirements can be further complicated when suppliers are unable to benefit from the development of standardized communication templates. The aerospace and defense industry supply chains are heavily overlapping and interdependent, so this could become a real issue for suppliers. Recognizing the extreme difficulties of the current situation, IAEG first developed a list of substances that can be used as a reference when trying to identify and address potential supply risks and/or fulfill regulatory compliance requirements. Since this is a dynamic regulatory environment, it is also valuable to anticipate future near-term substance requirements that may impact industry companies or their suppliers. This list of substances is known as the Aerospace and Defense Declarable Substances List, or ADDSL. The ADDSL provides a vital reference for the industry to understand which chemicals they should obtain information on from within their supply chains to identify product-related chemical compliance obligations and risks. But identification of these substances is only half the equation. Chemical reporting by itself is difficult, especially when capturing chemical data for complex finished goods within the global supply chain of the aerospace and defense industry. In order to standardize and simplify the data collection process, IAEG sponsored the creation of the IPC 1754 standard, known as the Material Declaration Standard for Aerospace, Defense, Heavy Equipment, and Other Industries, and recommends its use. The goal of IPC 1754 is to allow the industry to communicate chemical information within the supply chain in a consistent and structured manner, based on an agreed-upon set of data validation rules. IPC 1754 is built as an XML schema. This makes it easy to store the information, send it where it needs to go, and ingest the data on the receiving end. The XML schema allows IT systems to easily import and export the necessary information. For suppliers who may not have IT systems to build or read XML files, IAEG has created a template known as the Aerospace and Defense Substance Reporting Tool, or ADSRT. This enhanced Excel form can be used to capture and exchange the same data as IPC 1754. IAEG is pleased to engage with you on this important issue of chemical reporting and hope their efforts in standardizing the process will show the value of adopting IPC 1754. Please share this important information among all impacted stakeholders within your organization.